In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the IoT Intelligent Building demonstration case from IAconnects, built in collaboration with Arkessa and Intel. This example has a selection of sensors and control devices using the MobiusFlow configuration software and its inbuilt dashboard installed on a MobiusFlow gateway utilizing its own Wi-Fi. If you've just received your demo case, you'll need a power supply, a smartphone, tablet, laptop or desktop PC, and a web browser such as Google Chrome or Safari. First thing you'll need to do is remove the case from the box. Now please hang on to this as you may need it for transportation or shipping at a later date. Open up the case and remove the power lead and laminated instruction card. Plug in the power lead and flick the switch located under the power connector to on. Make sure the aerials are upright and check to see that if the display on the air quality monitor has powered up and shows readings. There is also an IoT diagram hidden behind the foam in the lid. You can now use your mobile device or PC to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now this is named after the serial number of the box and you can enter the password shown on the inlay card. Now once connected to the Wi-Fi, open up a web browser and enter the address shown on the inlay card into the bar at the top of your web browser. It may take a short while to connect the first time, but once loaded, you will see the dashboard showing temperature, humidity, and various other outputs from the sensors contained within the case. I'll just go through these now. Firstly, we have the on-ocean switch. And then this is batteryless and creates its own power using a tiny dynamo which uses the action of pressing a button to generate enough power to send a signal to the on-ocean connector. The release sends another signal to show it has a simple on or off or a dimmable action based on the time between each action. No wires or batteries. The water leak detector works in a similar way to the switch, where it uses the motion of the cork discs on the back expanding when wet. Now this moves the internal dynamo to generate enough power to send a signal to the on-ocean receiver and display an alarm on the dashboard. This also sends a signal when the corks dry out and contract. The underdesk sensor shows if a desk is occupied and detects infrared from the person occupying the space. This can be used to calculate efficiencies in the workplace environment, in particular hot desking and smart offices. Now the passive infrared sensor works in a similar way to the desk occupancy sensor. This can show if a meeting room or workspace is occupied or not. This temperature and humidity sensor is powered by a solar cell. It works maintenance free and utilizes an integrated energy store to allow operation for several days in total darkness. If permanently being used in dark surroundings, a coin cell battery can be retrofitted at a later date. The door and window sensor uses a magnet to monitor open and closed state and reports every status change immediately. This is also powered by a solar cell and works in the same way as the temperature and humidity sensor. Now this is the air quality monitor from IAconnects. Now it's powered from a USB power source and connects wirelessly to the MobiusFlow gateway. Now environmental conditions have a major impact on our well-being, comfort and productivity. The AQM sensor range provides detailed and reliable data on key environmental parameters such as humidity, temperature, volatile organic compounds or VOCs, particulate matter and CO2. You'll see there are two connectors in the box. These are used to relay data from different protocols depending on the sensor type. They then connect wirelessly to the local MobiusFlow gateway or direct to a MobiusFlow service running in the cloud. On large-scale installs, you can have multiple gateways, connectors, cloud installs, or a combination of all three based on signal strength and customer requirements. Now for more information on any of these products, please visit our website at iaconnects.co.uk. We also have a support website with instruction guides and setup information, as well as a support ticket system if you get stuck. You can view this at support.iaconnects.co.uk. Thank you for watching.